Welcome back to the channel. Well, those are kind of cool, aren't they? I don't know what they were used for. It's kind of like these aluminum blocks that break. I don't know. Anyway, we're here for the aluminium. Good start. See what else we can find out here today. See if we can have a little bit of fun. It is windy, by the way. Not the person or the restaurant, just windy. Yeah, it's still windy. I don't know how that sounds on the microphone, but got us a gate. First piece of the day. Well, first piece of there today. Still got this back here, you know, something. Finding Christmas trees. It's got a metal base. It's a good one. See what the weight is on you. Yep, you weigh something. That'll work. GoPro being wonky again. Got us an air compressor. Come on. Don't know what's wrong with it. I do know that the wind. You need to move. It's got some weight to it. Oh. Ta-da. At our next stop here. Got some metal. Oh, yep, doohickey. Somebody's already cut the cords out of that, and we'll take the scraps. Oh, that's kind of cool. And them wheels, y'all. And a grill. Check. Yeah, y'all see it? I barely seen it. Come on. Nah, this part's plastic. How about you? Yeah, it's plastic too. Maybe this isn't though. You gonna come off for me? Yeah, we'll take this part. Yeah, it's like free spinning or something. I've already looked over there. Addition. That'll do. Wind has calmed down. Got us a space heater though. Fan forced automatic. Sure. We're getting somewhere. We're getting something of a load. See, brake rotor box. We always look in the brake rotor box. Detroit axle. Well, hey, there's pads. And it's not in there. They're not in there. Nope. Anything in this box? Nope. So we can stack it up like that. Stay. I don't think that's an extension cord, but I do see a little bit of metal here, so probably an air hose, right? Yeah. Look, there's an old Xbox. What's in that? Take a look. Some sunglasses. That's aluminum. That's metal. No, it's plastic. Oh, that's intriguing, isn't it? No. What is this? Oh, it's music lessons. You guess for this? Somebody's been in it, it looks like. The zipper's broke. That's always fun. Yeah, it's not in there. Some True Fuel. Some old t-shirts. Anything down in there, Old books. Ain't gonna do us no good. All this stuff is wet. Damp, I should say, not wet. Let's go to the next bin. Be styling and profiling in these things. I'm just intrigued because I found the PlayStation, but ain't nothing else here, it looks like. Try on the back side. No, that's it. Like some aluminum bits. It's metal. Don't know what that's to. Go back here. I can go on the main trailer. I think it's got too much cloth on it. Really light too. Down in there? No. That's metal. I got us a washing machine. She's bringing out more stuff, so we'll take this. We'll get whatever they're bringing to us. That's a short one. Definitely shorter than me. This is an old heavy one here. All right, come on, work. Oh, it's starting to come undone. Huh. That's intriguing. We need you to stay in one piece, sir. Once we get it up there, we'll be fine. We're close. A little closer. No. We win. That's a heavy one. That is a heavy one. When it's coming apart, it don't want to work with you neither. What else we got here? Now, take that. Take the grill and see what she's bringing us. The wind is crazy today. All right, well, that's got to go on there. Yeah, neighbor came out and said, hey, I got one of those too that can go. And I'm like, okay. Awesome. Definitely getting a load now, ain't we? I gotta get a wheelbarrow. Go. This stuff out of the wheelbarrow. Aluminum, some steel. It's got screws in it. That's heavy, by the way. I'm blocking a guy's driveway. You ain't gonna fit. Some aluminum. Sometimes aluminum or brass. There and or. Cast goes dirty. Some more aluminum. What's that, man?
Got room for a couple of the bikes?
Sure, start bringing them. They got about 10 bike frames they need to get going. So we'll take those two. He said he didn't know if he'd get to them all. Guess he's got to some of them. We'll tie it down if we got to. So I'm gonna try to put most of them right there in that hole. If we get something else, we'll make room then. Take it all. It's aluminum. Awesome.
We got about another 2 of them and then we'll go for the rest.
That sounds great. All right, well, I'm gonna grab these other 2 bikes and ain't really nothing else to see, is there? Well, we was on the way to a scrapyard. Haven't cleaned this off back here. Got the past 2 videos loaded. We are solid. Got lucky on the washers. I meant the washers and dryers yesterday. We did add the one that we found in the prior video. A lot more miscellaneous, but we're here for the microwave. And I'll just put it in the back of the truck. Get the cord cut. We did get the cords off of the, what was this? Dryer. Yeah, and a few little miscellaneous, the tree, we got all the cords off everything. They're down there. Also took the cord off of this back one here. Well, for the most part. Just have to remember to throw this out. And what else is in there? Cut. That's thick. Oh, it's got a fry basket in here too. They just done a little clean out, yeah? There's water all in that. Some plastic. Some of these can be brass. I don't think these are though. Magnet test. No. Can I put them inside of one of these? Now we the fellow with the 10 bike frames never gave me a call back, but that's fine. He probably took him some time to get everything out. Expected. Take a look. still gotta get that out. I don't know where the cord is. Get in there. Cord, hello. There it is. Guess these are metal. Cleaned out their trash can a little bit. Working closed now. It's aluminum. There's a cord way down there. We ain't digging. Even though we kind of just dug, right? Get this inside that wash machine too. And you go. Sweet. Well, anyway, on the way, let's see what this weighs and pays. Still windy. Might throw out a bunch of rotors. They pay the same price here for short and still as they do shred. So, not a lot of reason to separate, if you will. What's up, man? I don't know. That's pretty cool looking. Almost. Alright, well, we gotta throw the rest off. Kind of simple. Well, we are unloaded, and I was thinking about doing it outside the outro, but man, it's so windy out there. I don't even know how good the audio is gonna be on this video, but hey, it is what it is. So yeah, we had 1,060 pounds, 8 cents a pound for $84.80. That is 2 days. The other one was a short video we done on Wednesday. It was what, I think it's a dryer, lawnmower, a few miscellaneous pieces. Nothing really super, you know, crazy to write home about. We did find stuff that day, but we had room on the trailer for it to be accommodated. So it went. Maybe 300 pounds of the weight total was in that load, so like a $25 a day-ish, give or take. It's hard to say when you really don't know the 100% of the weight, but 1,060 is what we got for those 2 days. Find of the day was definitely all the that one stop with the washers and dryers, and that turned out to be really good stop. Really thankful for the stop, of course. Got some aluminum, got some cords. Was actually able to help out a person at the scrapyard with a dryer cord. Don't know if he's going to scrap it or not. It's not. He said he needs one. I don't see why he would lie. I do know they're worth money. I think they're about $30 now or something, but you'll have to answer, you know, to God on that one if it's not. But I digress on those things. So anyway, I do hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll hit it again. Have a little bit of fun, and maybe the wind will die down. Yeah, hopeful thinking. But I do hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.